depressed. You know what the f is, boy?
We have a break in the action to interview the goalie, Kyle Meehan. Kyle, how was that first round?
How was the first round?
Yeah.
You know, it could have been better, but I'm pretty confident in my ability, so I'm just out here, you know, living the life. It's all good.
So, who do you think was the worst shooter out of the four?
By far, Mitchell Stewart. That's just plain and simple. The kid has no talent. I mean, let's just be real here.
Thanks for your time, Kyle.
No problem. I'm still depressed chronically. It's really not that hard. Yeah, dude.
Let's take it apart.
No!
So we're done with round two, and we're gonna talk with the goalie, Kyle Meehan. So Stu looked pretty fancy there. Any new opinions on him?
Still garbage, honestly.
Schuster seems to have your number. What are you gonna do to stop that next to this round?
Stand in the net and hope to get lucky. Not really much you can do against him. I mean, it is his YouTube channel, so.
Keep working hard, KP.
Thank you.
I'm second.
I'm slightly less depressed. I went the wrong way, didn't I?
All right, we just ended round three. Kyle, you stopped Schuster, and everything looked like everything was going smoothly. However, Lavick scored. Can you talk us through what happened?
I think I was just a little bit pumped up there, you know, obviously, but I work hard in practice, as you can tell, and just work on our game plan out here and hope for the best result.
Mitchell Stewart continues to disappoint. What do you think he can do to get better?
Absolutely nothing. I mean, I feel bad for the kid. I might let him score once. I mean, if I want to, if I feel nice today, but just like I said before, no talent. So.
Great reflexes, Kyle. Keep working hard.
Means a lot to me. Thank you.
Oh God, what's he gonna do? Oh!
That was a kiss to us there. It did.
Yeah. Everyone on YouTube is gonna think the all 5 people won.
I feel bad, like I said. My shoe came off a little bit.
End of round four. Kyle, you went 4 for 4 on that last round. Tell us, how did you do that?
Oh really? I didn't even notice. It's like I said before, it's just pure talent. It doesn't really matter at this point, but I mean,
If there's one thing on your game that you think you could improve for the following rounds, what do you think it is?
then stop shooting pucks at me during my.
Point the camera.
How do you feel about that?
I feel like I'm gonna be YouTube famous. Follow me on Twitter, by the way. Meehan 12. This probably is gonna get like 14 views at most. Fuck you up. So I mean, hit me up if you want to.
This is the feedback, Kyle. Keep working hard.
Thank you. I feel like I'm Marty Brodeur. I didn't even move. Kind of hit myself.
So we're at the end of round 5. Mitchell Stewart has officially been eliminated. Does that take off any pressure that you had coming into this?
I mean, that was a bit of a break for me whenever he came around. So, I mean, a little bit, but at the same time, not at all. More on the not at all side. So, I mean, I got lucky a couple times with Salter. I mean, he just does okay every once in a while.
Yeah, Colin's been off of his game today. Why do you
that
think
last
that
one
is?
was pretty good. I thought he was going glove. I don't know if he actually did. I kind of forgot, so I might sound stupid right now. So yeah, that's all I gotta say about that.
Thanks for the talk.
Anytime.
You ready?
Hell yeah.
No, he saved it.
Did I? I
That's
did?
a save.
Fuck yeah.
We're here now with the winner of the shootout. Will, how does it feel? How does it feel?
All right, Pierre. I think that. Hold on. Give me a sec. Whoa. Calm down, Shark. Shark attack. All right. Okay, Pierre. I think that that shootout was pretty good. You know, except for Sharky over here.
Who do you think was your biggest competition during this battle?
Oh, definitely Josh Lavick. He had some pretty solid moves. He had a snipe there towards the end. I'm just glad I came out on top in that little tough battle there.
Kyle Meehan's an elite goalie in this league. How was it to shoot against him?
It was pretty easy for the first couple of rounds, but then he decided that he was just going to be an all-star, and I can't really compete against that. We'll see him in the next game.
Kyle, how do you feel about that statement?
A statement. At first I was kind of mad, because he kind of said I was pretty easy, but then said I was an all-star, kind of made me smile a little bit, warmed my heart up. It's all good. It's all for fun, right?
Mitchell, how does it feel to be the worst player here? Same.